రాష్ట్రంలో తాజా పరిణామాల నేపథ్యంలో ప్రధాని అధ్యక్షతన సాయంత్రం కేబినెట్ పొలిటికల్ అఫైర్స్ కమిటీ అత్యవసరంగా సమావేశం కానుంది. ఈ సమావేశంలో తెలంగాణపై చర్చించనున్నట్లు తెలుస్తోంది. మరోవైపు కొద్దిసేపటి క్రితం లోక్సభ స్పీకర్ మీరా కుమార్ కి తెలంగాణ ఎంపీలు తమ రాజీనామాలు సమర్పించారు. ఇక అంతకుముందు తెలంగాణపై చిదంబరం మాట్లాడిన మాటలు ఇవి.
No, the situation, I don't think that anything has gone out of control. The MPs and MLAs had forewarned us that they would be obliged to tender their resignation on the 4th of July. So this has not come as a surprise to us. Meanwhile, the party general secretary in charge is talking to the Telangana MLAs and MPs. The MPs are here, the MLAs are in Hyderabad. We are in touch with them. So I don't think we need to get alarmed about this development. They have given expression to a view that they have held, a very strongly held view. But I think we will be able to persuade them to be patient and allow the consultative process to continue.
Mr. Chidambaram, the Congress MP...
All right, for the last time, let me say that the 9th December was not the statement of an individual. The 9th December statement was a statement made on behalf of the government. But on 23rd December, government issued another statement why it had to put the 9th December on hold and start a process of consultation. So whenever you refer to the December 9 statement, kindly also refer to the December 23 statement.